This Nuwave Bravo Pro Convection Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo is designed for households that want maximum cooking flexibility without filling the kitchen with multiple appliances. This single unit replaces an air fryer, toaster oven, dehydrator, pizza oven, and more, while still maintaining a manageable countertop footprint. Built around performance, precision, and ease of use, the Bravo Pro focuses on consistent results and practical customization rather than gimmicks. From the moment it's powered on, the Bravo Pro feels like a serious cooking tool rather than a casual countertop gadget. Its digital interface is clean, bright, and easy to understand, offering clear temperature readouts, fan speed indicators, and heating balance controls. Even users new to convection cooking will find it approachable, while experienced home cooks will appreciate the level of control it provides. Everything from fan speed to top and bottom heating ratios can be adjusted on the fly, making it easy to fine-tune results without restarting the cooking cycle. Performance is where the Nuwave Bravo Pro truly separates itself. With an 1800-watt heating system and advanced convection design, it delivers quick preheating and remarkably even cooking. The high-speed fan circulates hot air efficiently, allowing food to cook faster while developing a crispy exterior and moist interior. This makes it especially effective for air frying, roasting meats, and baking items that require consistent heat distribution across multiple layers. One of the most impressive aspects of the Bravo Pro is its ability to maintain near-identical temperatures across racks. Traditional toaster ovens often struggle with hot spots, forcing users to rotate trays mid-cook. With this convection system, the temperature difference between layers is minimal, allowing multiple trays of food to cook evenly at the same time. This not only saves time, but also reduces energy use, making everyday meal prep more efficient. The cooking versatility offered by the Bravo Pro is extensive. With 10 built-in presets, it covers common tasks such as air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, toasting, broiling, dehydrating, and even waffle preparation. Each preset serves as a strong starting point, but the real advantage lies in the ability to customize settings mid-cycle. This flexibility allows users to adapt recipes, adjust browning levels, and experiment confidently without being locked into fixed programs. Pizza cooking deserves special mention. Unlike basic toaster ovens, the Bravo Pro allows independent control over top and bottom heating elements. This creates distinct heating zones that are ideal for pizza, producing a crisp crust while evenly melting toppings without burning. The interior capacity easily accommodates a full 12-inch pizza, making it a realistic alternative to a dedicated pizza oven for home use. Despite its capabilities, the Bravo Pro maintains a compact 21-quart design that fits comfortably in smaller kitchens, apartments, and even RVs. This balance between size and capacity is one of its strongest advantages. It can handle a whole chicken, a generous roast, or family-sized portions of fries, yet it does not overwhelm the countertop or storage space. Safety and materials are another strong point. The Bravo Pro is designed with non-toxic, PFAS-free surfaces, offering peace of mind for households that prioritize healthier cooking environments. The removable crumb tray makes cleaning simple, while included accessories like the air fry basket, baking pan, and heavy-duty rack expand cooking options without requiring additional purchases. Day-to-day usability is excellent. Controls respond quickly, temperature adjustments don't interrupt cooking, and the interior lighting makes it easy to check progress without opening the door. Over time, these small conveniences significantly improve the overall cooking experience, especially for users who rely on the oven daily. From an SEO standpoint, this appliance aligns naturally with search terms such as Convection Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, 10 in 1 Air Fryer Oven, Countertop Convection Oven, High-Capacity Air Fryer, and Multi-Function Toaster Oven. Its versatility and performance make it appealing to a wide audience, from busy families to culinary enthusiasts. Key features and benefits: 10 cooking functions in one appliance for maximum versatility. Powerful 1800-watt convection system for faster, even cooking. Adjustable fan speeds and heating zone controls. Wide temperature range from low dehydration heat to high roasting heat. Compact 21-quart capacity fits large meals without crowding countertops. Multi-rack cooking with consistent results. PFAS-free, non-toxic cooking surfaces. Includes essential cooking accessories out of the box. Pros and cons of Nuwave Bravo Pro Convection Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Pros: exceptional cooking versatility in a single appliance. Even heat distribution across multiple racks. Customizable fan speed and heater balance. Large interior capacity in a compact form. Simple, responsive digital controls. Suitable for a wide range of cooking styles. Cons: larger footprint than basic air fryers. Learning curve for advanced customization features. Higher power usage compared to smaller appliances. Maybe more than needed for single-task cooks. Who this appliance is best for. The Nuwave Bravo Pro is ideal for households that cook frequently and want one appliance to handle multiple cooking methods. It suits families, home chefs, small kitchens, and anyone who wants oven-level performance without installing a full-size range. It is particularly appealing to users who enjoy experimenting with recipes and value precision control. Final verdict: the Nuwave Bravo Pro Convection Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo stands out as a powerful, flexible, and thoughtfully engineered kitchen solution. It combines speed, capacity, and control in a compact design that genuinely replaces several standalone appliances. While it may feel advanced for casual users, those willing to explore its capabilities will find it a reliable, high-performance cooking companion. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.